Hey there! So, imagine you have a list with web traffic details, and you're looking to add a specific value to each vector in the name sublists. The problem arises when you want to append an element name of campaign_type with a value of manual_campaign or Google_ads_campaign to those respective sublist vectors. Now, onto the solution. One approach to tackle this involves using the rrapply function from the rrapply package. By setting the condition to skip null values, binding the output to a wide data frame, and including the list names, you can efficiently unnest the list into a structured data frame as required. The resulting data frame neatly displays the nested elements with their corresponding list names, making it easier to analyze and work with the data effectively. In summary, by implementing the rrapply function with the specified parameters, you can seamlessly transform a nested list containing web traffic details into a structured data frame with the necessary elements and their respective sublist names. This method simplifies the data manipulation process and enhances the clarity of the dataset for further analysis. Before I go, remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. See you next time, tech enthusiasts!